Well, tonight in Medical Rounds, new research is on the horizon at Hartford Hospital when it comes to weight loss outcomes after bariatric surgery. Doctors and researchers at Hartford Hospital have just been awarded a grant from the National Institute of Diabetes, Digestive and Kidney Diseases to conduct a study. And the study will look at using neuroimaging predictors to better understand and improve the prediction of long-term weight loss outcomes following the surgery. Joining us live to learn more about this is Dr. Godfrey Pearlson, the director of the Olin Neuropsychiatry Research Center at the Institute of Living at Hartford Hospital, to explain more. Good evening, Dr. Pearlson.
Good evening.
So I understand this is exciting news not just for the research center, it's for the research center and the Hartford Hospital Metabolic and Bariatric Surgery Center. Tell us a little bit more about what this grant will do for you.
So this new grant will follow up on exciting findings that Drs. Tischler and Papasavas from the Bariatric Surgery Center and our group discovered in 65 patients that we put in the MRI scanner prior to bariatric surgery. And what we found is that patients' brains, in terms of their performance in the scanner, predicted over half of subsequent weight loss in the next year.
Wow, okay. So what are the goals as we look ahead? What are the goals of the study, and what do you hope to discover now?
So we initially looked at those 65 patients. Now the government grant will enable us to look at another 150 and follow them over 5 years rather than just a single year to see how well brain imaging is a longer-term predictor for these individuals.
So tell us about this unique collaboration of the two centers. I understand it started 8 years ago, and now there's the development of an interdisciplinary center on obesity research. Have you learned some of the research? What have you learned since its inception?
Well, Hartford Hospital, HHC, put forward a number of pilot grants to encourage people in different areas of the hospital to collaborate with one another. One thing that had struck us, both people in bariatric surgery and in brain imaging, since the brain talks to the gut, maybe we could develop better predictors of surgical outcome. So at the moment, none of the things that the person in the street would think of as sensible predictors, how well you can stick to a diet, if you can exercise, hormones in your body, if you're anxious or depressed, not a single one of those things is a good predictor of surgical outcome. So we thought using brain imaging we would do better, and in fact we did.
Very interesting, and I'm sure that it will lead to many more findings for us to understand. Thank you so much, Dr. Pearlson, for sharing this with us. And for the incredible work and the rest of the team that Hartford Hospital has in this area of research. There are actually several weight loss classes each month. To register for one, all you have to do is call 1-855-HHC-HERE. In the meantime, Dr. Pearlson will be answering your questions on the Hartford Hospital Facebook page. We invite you to go join the live discussion. You can ask your own questions. It is happening right now.